Yes, hello, it's Spooky Lake Month where we're doing 31 days of haunted hydrology. And today I want to talk about a nightmare that unfolded in a river in Australia. The Finnis River is located in Australia's Northern Territory along the coast of the Timor Sea. Like many rivers in this region, the Finnis River is a tidal river, which means that during high tide, salt water pushes inland, bringing with it bull sharks, stingrays, and sometimes box jellyfish. However, the king of the river and the creature that causes at least 2 deaths a year in this territory is, of course, the saltwater crocodile. The Finnis River is known for having these monster crocs, including an infamous one named Sweetheart that was 17 feet long and used to attack boats in the river. Locals know to stay out of murky water, but in 2003, a real-life horror movie unfolded here. It all started when 3 friends from a nearby coastal city spent the day riding their quad bikes on the salt flats located near the Finnis River. After hours of racing in the mud, they were covered in dirt and ready to go home, but one friend suggested they quickly rinse off. It had been a rainy and wet December, so the river was higher than it normally is. There were mangrove trees along the edge that were partially submerged in that high and fast-moving water. They waded through the mangroves until they found a small clearing, and holding on to the roots and branches, they tried to quickly wash off in the current. But the water was stronger than they expected, and one of the friends lost his grip and was swept away. His 2 friends jumped into the river after him, and within moments, all 3 of them were quickly moving downstream. They were desperately trying to find something to hold on to when one of them spotted something moving in the water. Scrambling to swim to a nearby tree, 2 of the friends made it safely into the branches before turning around and realizing the 3rd friend was missing. They watched as the surface broke and a massive saltwater crocodile rose up with its jaws locked around their friend's body. It stared at them for a few moments before sinking back into the murky water. For the next 22 hours, that same crocodile stalked the 2 survivors from below their precarious perch. They recalled having to move higher up in the branches because the crocodile would lunge at them from below. To make matters worse, it stormed during the night, so they clung to the tree in the rain, freezing, exhausted, and terrified. After almost 24 hours, they were rescued by helicopter, which was the only thing that scared off the crocodile. Their friend's body was never found, and neither was the crocodile who did it. The Finnis River doesn't need ghosts to be haunted, because that's what the crocodiles are for. 6 out of 10 spookies.